morning, respected coordinators, teachers, seniors, and my loved friends. It's me, Aarav Sah from grade 5 and 1. Today I am here to give a short speech on the topic learning from failure. Learning from failure. Learning from failure means learning from mistake as the lesson rather than an endpoint. When the thing does not go as planned, it gives you a chance to see what went wrong and how to improve it. By accepting the mistake, it makes you stronger and smarter for the next time. Nobody likes to make mistakes, but they are the normal part of the life. Learn things like tying the shoelace or riding the bicycles. Learning from failure teaches us important lessons like confidence, patience, and hard work. It makes us stronger and help us grow. So we should not be afraid of failure. We should take it a normal step of the life. Thank you.